Welcome to ScalePilot, the AI-powered platform that helps Amazon FBA sellers launch what sells and kill what doesn't. If you're tired of guessing which products will succeed, you're in the right place. Every year, thousands of sellers lose money on failed product launches because they relied on gut feelings instead of data. What if you could predict success before you invest? ScalePilot gives you 5 powerful tools to dominate Amazon FBA. First, discover hidden gems. Find profitable opportunities that others miss with our advanced filtering algorithms. Second, spot trending opportunities before they explode. Identify rising trends and seasonal opportunities with predictive analytics. Third, navigate any niche with our Niche Navigator, explore profitable categories, and find your perfect market fit. Fourth, assess launch risks with our AI-powered confidence engine. Know your chances of success before you invest a single dollar. And fifth, analyze any product with our ASIN analyzer. Get detailed performance insights and competitive intelligence on any Amazon product. What sets ScalePilot apart? We use real Amazon product opportunity explorer data, not estimates or guesses. Our Mistral 7B AI engine analyzes thousands of data points to give you authentic, actionable insights. Whether you're hunting for hidden gems or assessing launch risks, our tools work together to maximize your success. Getting started is simple. Explore opportunities with hidden gems and trending opportunities, research your niche with the Niche Navigator, analyze specific products with the ASIN Analyzer, then validate your launch decision with our risk assessment engine. It's that easy to make data-driven decisions. Ready to stop guessing and start succeeding? Click Get Started to access all 5 tools or watch our detailed tutorials to master each feature. Welcome to the future of Amazon FBA. Welcome to ScalePilot.